POE power supply seniors. Installation guide. Packing list, packing box, probe bottom cover, panel, cover plate, flat head self-tapping screw, round head self-tapping screw, contact information, instructions. Sealing installation. Cut off the inlet hole in the middle of the bottom cover. Drill a wiring hole on the top plate where a sensor is to be installed. Thread the Ethernet cable through the cable hole and through the bottom box. Insert the RJ45 connector properly. Insert the sensor properly. Fix the bottom cover with flat head self-tapping screws. Close the top cover and tighten it with round head self-tapping screws. Cover the cover plate. Sealing installation completed. Mounted installation. Take out the product. Use wire cutters to cut off the side baffle of the rectangular wire inlet on the bottom cover to ensure that the network cable RJ45 connector can smoothly penetrate into the housing. Pass the network cable RJ45 connector through the cut cable inlet. And then insert the RJ45 connector properly. Insert the sensor properly. Fix the bottom cover with flat head self-tapping screws. Close the top cover and tighten it with round head self-tapping screws. The sealing surface of the cover plate is aligned with the sealing surface of the bottom cover to ensure airflow on the ventilation surface at the other end of the bottom cover. And then close the cover plate. Fixed installation of wire box. Wall-mounted installation completed. Important reminders. During installation, the bottom cover must be closed with the top cover, and the screws must be tightened before closing the cover plate. If the cover plate is closed before tightening the screws, the cover plate must be removed. Disassembly must be performed through the gaps in the clips on the sealing surface. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry open the cover plate from the gap of the front cover clips.